Greetings, I'm Geofatboy. I make shaving videos and sell shaving supplies. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving needs. Have a great shave, have a great day. Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for shavenation.com. I've just finished up my shave using the Attire, which is a nice high-tech looking beautiful razor, adjustable razor. I'll put a video on how to use it. You can check that out. The only drawback to this razor is the head is large and it's a little bit difficult to get underneath your nose and clean out that area right there. Also, if you shave with a beast like this, the Attire Vision, which was discontinued a couple years ago, the head is even larger. You can see the difference between the two and the size difference between the two. It's a beast. Very difficult to get under the nose. If you have that issue, here's a little hack I'll show you. I know we don't like cartridge razors and we don't shave with cartridge razors, but I don't even know how I came across this. I think someone sent it to me a long time ago. This is a Gillette Fusion. It's a 5-blade razor. We don't like cartridge razors because 2, 3, 4, 5 dragging, pulling, ingrown hairs, all that bad stuff. We like our single blade, super sharp, double-edged razor blade, slicing the whisker, the beard off cleanly at the surface. That's what we like. No pulling, no tugging. But this razor, if you have one of these, I'm not going to say go out and buy one, but if you have one of these, there is a cool little feature, and it's called the precision trimmer, which is really good for lining up and cleaning out little areas like this. When you're done, just take a little bit of shaving cream from your brush, like so, and just put it on there, right under your nose, just like that. Warm the razor. I always warm it under hot water just to temper it. And then using this precision trimmer, say that real fast 3 times in a row, go right under the nose like this. I think I've actually demonstrated this in one other video a long time ago. And you can also use this to get a straight line on your sideburn, like so. Just like that. Works quite well for that. Really good for getting directly under that philtrum area, under your nose. I have about 250 shaving videos, I think, at this point in time. And I've only shaved with a cartridge razor on video one time. I'll put it up there. I did a comparison between safety razor and cartridge razor, so I'll put a link up there. You can check that out as well. But anyway, a nice little hack. Don't go out and buy one of these if you don't have one. But it is a good little thing to use if you happen to have one of these laying around somewhere. This is actually the power version, which I don't know what the hell the power does. I don't think it does anything. I don't see how that's going to improve your shave. I think they now have one that's heated. My preference, some nice warm shaving lather applied with a brush, and then safety razor, double-edged blade. You know, that's the way to go. All right, I don't have to convince you I'm preaching to the choir. By the way, this precision trimmer is only on this 5-blade Fusion razor. I don't think you can find it on a 2, a 3, a 4, a 6, anything else. I think it's only used on this Fusion razor. So that's the one. All right, that's a quick little tip. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please click that subscribe button and leave a nice comment below. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day.